Hi, welcome to my tutorial on ArcGIS, which is about accuracy assessment of raster classification using ArcMap. Let's talk about the contents of this tutorial. At first, we will learn about some basic idea of accuracy assessment of a classified raster. Then, we will learn about the difference between ground truth and classified data. After that, we will create confusion matrix inside ArcMap to get idea about accuracy of our previously created classified raster. So without further ado, let's get some basic idea of accuracy assessment. It is a process done to provide an idea of how well the classification has worked. We do the accuracy assessment to know about the usefulness of a classified raster and if used in doing calculations, the possible amount of error that we may get from the raster data. Let's learn about the difference of ground truth data and classified data. Ground truth data indicates the actual class or land use of a pixel in a raster. It is created from the original raster data. On the other hand, classified data indicates the predicted class or land use of a pixel by the algorithm. So, let's dive inside ArcMap to do accuracy assessment practically. At first, we must load the classified raster and original raster in ArcMap project. Then we must use create accuracy assessment points tool to create some points that will be used to measure the accuracy of classification. For that, the input raster will be classified raster and we have to select the proper output location. The target field will be classified and we have to select equalized stratified random. A thumb rule for the point count should be 10 times of class count squared. After clicking OK, we will get feature class with some accuracy assessment points. Then we must hide the classified raster and show the unclassified original raster and open the attribute table of accuracy assessment points shapefile. We can see that we have some data in classified column, but the ground truth column is filled with -1 in all its cells. We have to populate the ground truth column manually by looking at the locations of each point in original raster. We must put the proper value for each ground truth cell. We can check the classified raster attribute table to know the class value for each of the classes. We can see that in my case the class value of built up class is 1 and the class value of other land use is 2. So each of the points in accuracy assessment points shapefile we will use 1 for built up area and 2 for not built up areas. To speed up the process, I am selecting all the points that are in built up area and then using field calculator I am adding the value 1 to the points ground truth column. After that I am inverting my selection and using the field calculator again to add value of 2 in the remaining cells of ground truth column. Now we have a populated table of classified and ground truth columns. We can use this table to compute the confusion matrix. For that, let's open compute confusion matrix tool and select our accuracy assessment points in the input field. After selecting an output location and clicking OK, we got a table which shows the accuracy level of our classified raster. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial.